So you have, please. Janet, thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Over more than our little thing, but then we got that. This is Utopia is a bigger ship than Liberty. There's still a lot of docks. Costs extra. I don't know how much. The dancers aren't any extra. We're going to go to Chill Island today, at least for a little while. The restroom is Sandy Lane. Water park, and hopefully plenty of chairs and umbrellas. This is a little different. Coco Beach.
Coco Beach!
Oh, wait, just a bit. I believe this is Coco Beach, and it is super fine sand, but with a little bit of shell in it and plants. But no people. You see that? There's maybe 10 people out here. Of course, it goes all the way over there. That looks like a wave runner. Of course, the cabanas, I said, were for rent. And those are for rent. And cabanas were hundreds of dollars, and I think those were $1,000. All I know is I didn't rent them, and the chairs and the umbrellas, I believe, are free. I hope are free. Because I'm going to use them. Janet, not free. There's a bar. We're headed to South Beach now. This is Coco Beach. And it's pretty uncrowded. And we're on like a road tram station. And you'll notice they have sand, you know, strollers and wheelchairs. See the big fat tires? Welcome to Coco Cay. South Beach, this way, right?
South Beach, to the right through the trail, exit to the left.
Back there. It's like a jungle in here. I guess these are buttonwood trees. Well, that's the road. And this is the trail to South Beach still. Hey, we found a bar. And music, music, music. Music for the ages.
How far is it to going?
Well, this is a huge beach with a lot of chairs. And we're trying to find some people. You know, those people. So I'm going to maneuver out to the front. No trails really. I guess this is out to the front. So, there's thousands of people here. Okay, maybe a couple hundred. Hopefully, somebody will spot us that we know. I see Austin, I think. Maybe not. I see Christina. Hey, Christina.